Oh yeah. What's the matter on my face? Mmm. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Oh, what a beautiful day today. Windy though. Oh. Look at a trucker. Did you ever do that to like truckers when you were a kid? How annoying. Kids are so fucking annoying. Yeah, well, not really. Yeah, rice cakes. And they're so good. If you haven't tried these, they're supposed to be like tteokbokki chips. Ooh. I'm gonna shove them inside my mouth. What are you fishing eating? So gross. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Soboru bun. This is what she wants for her. She's gonna come up here anytime now. That was a cold swim and it was amazing. Our combo is like a little sweet, oh spicy. I love these little bits that fall off. All the food just showed up. I know. Shocking. I stuffed my face with junk food. Struggle. Struggle. I tell you, it's a struggle. I'm so wet under here because I have my freaking sports bra I wore in the water. Seriously, it's a never-ending goddamn pit of despair sometimes.